everyone, it's Molly. Today we're making cranberry juice cocktail. So I will make sure to put the recipe down below for you in the description box so you'll have it. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, so my heat is set to medium high. And basically I'm going to put my water in the pot and add my cranberries. And we're gonna cook these until the skins burst and basically they are cooked. And then we will strain them. So I will show you guys snippets of it through the cooking process, and I will see you guys when this is done. Okay, so I'm turning off the heat. As you can see, these have very well basically exploded and have released all their juice. So let's go strain these. Okay, I'm just straining out the juice from the solids. Just make sure we get all that juice out there. Kind of move them around and give them a little bit of a squish. Okay. Now we're going to turn the juice back into the pot and back to the stove. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the heat up so it's simmering, and we're going to add the sugar, and we're just going to simmer this with the sugar for 5 minutes, and then when it's done we will add the lemon juice and then we'll chill it. So I will see you guys in 5 minutes. Let me set my timer. All right, 5 minutes are up, so I'm going to add our lemon juice, and I'm just using bottled lemon juice because I'm not terribly fancy. Stir that in, and the next step is to just let this cool completely, and then we will taste it and see how it is. So set that aside, let it cool, and then chill it. All right, I will see you guys when Dan comes home and we can see how this tastes.
Well, hey Molly, what do you got here?
Hi Dan.
I see it's something to do red.
Yeah.
Maybe cranberry? No. Raspberry?
No, cranberry.
Oh.
You had it right the first time. Yes, Dan, I made cranberry juice cocktail.
Oh.
So let's see how
Why is this called a cocktail? Like, what's the deal? Does this have alcohol in it?
No, there is no alcohol in this. It's just cranberry juice, lemon juice, and sugar.
It's pretty thick. It's pretty syrupy thick.
Well, it's meant to be mixed with other things.
Oh boy.
That's good.
That's sweet.
Well, it's Dan.
Just like you.
So I made this yesterday, and yes, I'm wearing the same sweatshirt, so don't judge me.
It got washed.
Anyway, so I made this yesterday, and it's been sitting in the fridge because it said to serve it chilled.
Oh.
And it's gotten very syrupy, and definitely is something that I think you would want to mix with, you know, either club soda, vodka, water, or whatever. Gingerale would be really good. So you can mix this with a bunch of stuff. It's sweet. You can taste a little bit of the lemon. It's definitely got a cranberry flavor. It's tart. I think it's refreshing.
I would not drink this by itself.
No, that's what I'm saying,
Yeah.
Dan. It's definitely a mix.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, drink it by itself, it's syrupy, so that's not appealing to me. But it tastes really good, and so definitely would be excellent. I think I'm gonna mix actually some club soda in this.
Ooh,
and have a cranberry spritzer.
Fancy.
You could do lots of stuff for Thanksgiving with this.
We'll go grab a club soda. Let's try it.
All right.
We'll be right back. And while you wait for Molly, here's a little song. Dee 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 dee. Hey Molly, you made it.
What were you singing?
I don't know. Frogger music. I would have done the Jeopardy song, but I couldn't remember the. Yeah,
Is that Jeopardy or Wheel of Fortune?
No, that's Jeopardy. Instantly better.
Oh yeah, I think I need a little bit more. So,
don't go crazy now.
So I mixed it with some club soda, just plain club soda, and it's definitely delicious. It's a spritzer, a cranberry spritzer. So I got this recipe from the Watkins Salad Book. This is from 1946.
actually
And
not
it's
bad.
titled Cranberry Juice Cocktail, and that's exactly what it is.
Yeah, maybe put some vodka in it.
Yeah, you could do that. You could put vodka in it. I'm
Not when you're working though.
So yeah, there you go. Cranberry juice cocktail from 1946. It's very delicious and very versatile, and
Yes.
perfect for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, give it a try.
Give
Let us
it
know
a
what you
try.
think.
Yeah, and so if you like this content, you want to see more vintage recipes like this cranberry juice cocktail, then please subscribe and hit the like button. I upload new content every Friday. And Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes.
Only when she makes me.
Yeah. Anyways, have a good night, everyone.
Goodbye, everybody.